everybody, it's Steve from Commercial Forest Products. Thanks for joining me here. Today we are slabbing up some logs on the Wood-Mizer. Let's do it.
Perota, also known as Guanacaste, has a koa-like appearance and grows very large. This 20 by 20 timber weighs over 1,600 pounds. Without heavy machinery, nothing's getting flipped. The first cut was not the deepest. It was actually the thinnest. This cut is to square up the timber. Finally, we have impressively large but manageable 8/4 by 20 inch Perota slabs for furniture, tabletops, guitar bodies, and millwork. Subscribe to our channel to see our other interesting wood projects. This is Steve from Commercial Forest Products, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.